Hello and welcome to the Ask the Tech Wiz show. You can find our website at thetechwiz.co.cc. On this episode, we got an email from Dave, and you can email us at askthetechwiz@gmail.com. How do you install memory into a computer? We have two computers here. We're going to show you how to install memory in both right here on the Ask the Tech Wiz podcast show. Alright, so first off, we need to find the memory. We're going to do that by going on the computer, and you can go to any place. I'm going to go to crucial.com. So let's hop on the computer and let's go there right now.
Alright, so we're at crucial.com, and it doesn't matter where you get your memory, but Crucial is the easiest, and I recommend them. If you click Scan My System here, it'll scan your system and tell you the RAM that you need. Or if you know what you have, you can go ahead and select your manufacturer. In this case will be Dell or any manufacturer. We'll choose the lineup. And choose the model and click Find It. You can see how much RAM you need and purchase it right here. Now let's go back and finish our RAM installation.
Alright, so once we have the memory, we get it in stock, the memory looks like this. This here is memory. We have memory chips on both sides. This is one stick of memory. This right here is about 256 megabytes here and 256 megabytes here. We're going to install it by first opening the case. Now, we have two computer models here. We have a pre-2000 computer and a 2005 and up computer. I'm sorry, a pre-2005 computer and a after 2005 computer. So we're going to first start on the oldest one first and then go up to the newest one. So we can show you how to install memory in both. It's just about the same, but we'll show you. Alright, so we have the case of the computer open here. Now we need to locate our memory slots, and looks like we have them right down here. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. Alright, yep, there they are. So normally the pins are closed like that. We need to make sure the pins are open, so we're just going to plop them back. We're installing two chips, so let's go ahead and plop them back now. Let's move the tripod back a bit so you can see everything here. So we have them plopped back just like that. Let's grab the memory. Memory is here. So what you want to do is align these pins. You see these little pin openings here? There's one right here. There's one right here. There's two of them. It'll only go in one way. So you look at it, and we see right here there's a hole, and right here there's a hole. So we know that we need to line these holes up. So it's not going to fit in like this, it needs to fit in like this. So normally, in this computer, it's labeled backward. This is an old IBM. So let's go ahead and put it in. We're going to line it up. Take it. Make sure our pins are as far back as possible. Now, here's the part where you think it's in, but it won't close. So take both thumbs and smash it in. Smash it in just like that. And they automatically close. Alrighty. Second chip is here. Do it the same way. Align it up. Two thumbs. Push down until locked. And it automatically locks in for you. The last chip's going to be empty, so there we have it. Let's get on to the newer computer. Alright, so this is a newer Dell, so we're just going to find the latch on the top, right there. Pull it back, and open up this computer. Alright, the guts are exposed. Don't do too much looking around in there. Let's find the RAM spots, and there they are. This is going to be real tricky, so let me set up the camera, and we'll be back. Alright, so this is a very awkward position I got the camera in, but we see right here are the two spots for the cards. Let's duct some of these cables back. Not real neat in here, but duct some of the cables back. Grab the RAM modules so you can tell how big they are by looking at the front. See, we have here, you might can't see that, but it says 512. This one also says 512. And we see that the two slot holes are in the middle on this one. So a new computer has this holes in the middle. So we'll just go ahead and slop it in. Go on, lay it in there. Pop it in. Don't have enough room for thumbs here, so we just push it all the way down on both sides. See how the first side locked in, and hopefully this second side will follow suit. Alright. Let's pull this back out. Okay, so let's make sure everything's aligned. And let's go. Alright. There we go. Second chip should go in the same as the first one. Tight quarters in here. So might be a little hard here. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty hard, but it goes in the same way as the first one. So let's go ahead and try it again. Okay, here we go. So we'll just go ahead and plop down. Aha, it's not matching the middle part. So they go facing away from each other. Okay, here we go. Pop and quick. Ta-da! Done. Alright, so now we can lit up the case of the computers. And turn it on. And when we turn it on, we should see no problems at all if we install it correctly. Thanks for watching this edition of the Ask the Tech Wiz podcast. Now, don't forget to email us your questions. We might answer them on the show. We might answer them on the blog. Email us your questions at askthetechwiz@gmail.com. And also visit our blog, thetechwiz.co.cc. We'll see you there.